Now they hold this tiny brush. Funny how life works out, isn't it? Well, they've held the throttle of a 1200cc beast, they've clenched into fists, and now they hold this tiny brush. Funny how life works out, isn't it? They say the hands tell a story. Mine? They say the hands tell a story. Mine? Before the salon, before this leg. You've seen the old photos on my Instagram. I've been getting a lot of comments lately, a lot of you new folks asking about, well, about the before. It's a long story, but I think it's time to tell it. So grab a coffee. This is the story of how I lost a part of myself to find the rest of me. The leather jacket, the bike, the endless American highways. And you ask, what happened?
The calm is necessary, a moment to reset. But the real journey begins when the road opens up before you. I called her the Dragon, my 2021 Ducati Diavel. I'd saved for years to ship her to the States.
2 years ago, my world was 180 horsepower between my legs and the horizon in my eyes.
2 years ago, my world was 180 horsepower between my legs and the horizon in my eyes.
I called her the Dragon, my 2021 Ducati Diavel. I'd saved for years to ship her to the States. For the ultimate road trip. Vietnam was home, but America was the dream.
My plan was simple. Ride from coast to coast. See everything. Feel everything.
For the ultimate road trip, Vietnam was home, but America was the dream. The land of endless roads.
I met amazing people, saw things that would change you.
My plan was simple. Ride from coast to coast. See everything. Feel everything. For months, it was perfect. Just me, the Dragon, and the road.
But the thing about the open road is, it's not always empty.
Well, look what we got here. Nice bike outside, kid. A little too shiny for these parts.
Sometimes you run into trouble that isn't on any map.
Found exactly what I was looking for. Just passing through. Thank Gloria. She gets me where I need to go.
You're a long way from home. You lost?
You lost?
I don't think so. Excuse me. Excuse me.
We're not done talking. We think you owe us a traveler's tax for riding through our territory on that little Italian toy.
We're not done talking. We think you owe us a traveler's tax for riding through our territory on that little Italian toy.
911. I need police at 4th and Main.
Quickly, he has a gun.
I grew up learning Vovinam. It teaches you discipline, control, how to end a fight before it truly begins.
I thought that was the end of it. I was wrong. People like that, They don't forget.
I thought that was the end of it. I was wrong. People like that, they don't forget.
I should have been more careful. I should have seen them coming.
And they don't care about a fair fight. I was heading towards California, on a stretch of road they call the Devil's Spine.
Nowhere to run now, pretty boy!
This is the end of the line, Dewey Tran. Move over now.
Get off the road! Get off the road!
In that moment, there was no fear, just focus. Every nerve ending was alive. The first thing I felt wasn't the pain. It was an absence, a lightness on my left side that felt heavier than anything I'd ever known. The first thing I felt wasn't the pain. It was an absence, a lightness on my left. I woke up 3 days later.
For a long time, I didn't feel lucky. The open road, the freedom, the man I was, it all died on that canyon road.
The dragon was totaled. My journey was over. The doctors said I was lucky to be alive.
The physical therapy was brutal, but learning to live with the ghost of a limb.
The ghost of my dream, that was the real fight.
The ghost of my dream.
The discipline from martial arts, the steady hand from controlling a powerful machine, it was all just rattling inside me. I had all this fire inside me, this need for precision and focus, but nowhere to put it. I came home, defeated. The discipline from martial arts, the steady hand from controlling a powerful machine, it was all just rattling inside me.
Her hands never shook. She'd create these tiny, perfect worlds on the tips of people's fingers. It was an art form.
My mom, she ran a small nail salon in our neighborhood for 30 years. When I was a kid, I'd sit and watch her.
I started painting on fake nail tips. At first, my hands trembled with rage, but I kept going.
One day, during my recovery, I was so bored and angry I could barely breathe. I picked up one of her old brushes.
The same steady hand that could block a punch is the one that brings a little bit of beauty into someone's day.
The same focus it took to navigate a hairpin turn at 80 miles per hour is the same focus I use to create a perfect gradient.
The road taught me about freedom, about the big, wide world. But losing the road, it taught me to find the world in smaller places. The road takes you to unexpected places. The trick isn't to fight the destination, it's to find the beauty wherever you park.
I lost my dragon, but I found a different kind of balance, a different kind of road. And honestly,
I traded steel for polish, roaring engines for quiet conversations.
I lost my dragon.
But I found a different kind of balance.
A different kind of road.
And it